How to fix voice typing not working on Google Docs.
So here are some ways on how to fix this issue. So the first method is to turn on the microphone access. So just go to menu by clicking these three dots or the ellipsis icon found on the upper right corner of your screen. Then go to settings. Now on the left side of your screen, select privacy and security. Scroll down and go to site settings. And then under permissions, click microphone and make sure to select this option, sites can ask to use your microphone.
So the next method is to update the browser. To do this, just go to menu by clicking these three dots or the ellipsis icon found on the top right corner. Go over Help and then click About Google Chrome. Now your browser will check the version that you're using and update it to its latest version if it needs updating. Now once the latest version has been installed, click Relaunch. Now that the browser has been restarted, check Google Docs and see if the issue has been fixed. Now this next method is to remove the browser cache and data. To do this, just click the three dots or the ellipsis icon found on the upper right corner. Then go to More Tools and then click Clear Browsing Data. Then beside Time Range, click the drop-down arrow button and select All Time. So you can uncheck the box beside Browsing History. What is needed is the cookies and other site data and cached image and files. After this, click Clear Data to confirm. Then go back to Google Docs and see if the issue has been resolved. Next is to restart your device. So what you have to do is to close the Google Docs interface and shut it down. Then wait for a little while before restarting your device. Now once it has been restarted, go to Google Docs and check if the voice typing message is now working. And so those are the few ways on how to fix voice typing not working on Google Docs. Thank you and have a great day.